just want to be in it?
I don't give a shit. I can't. My heart is beating so fast. I'm so nervous. I haven't cut my hair in 2 years.
It's gonna look so good.
Hi guys. Today I'm gonna cut my hair off. All right. Okay. Do we have Jess's hair ties?
No.
First, I have to brush it. I need leave-in conditioner.
Put it like in the shower with the water spraying on it as I'm getting it out. It doesn't work. It like is like this wide when I get out. It's wet.
Just so you guys can see, like my hair is super long. It's down to like, see, I gotta get on the chair to show you. It's like down to my hip bone.
Oh,
Thank you. So I don't really know where I'm gonna cut it to yet. I feel like I should take this thick sweatshirt off now. I don't know. I don't care. Okay. First, I'm just gonna brush through with Jess's wet brush once I find that. Okay.
You're making me nervous.
Are you not nervous for me? Because I'm really nervous. Like, I've not cut my hair in 2 years.
Yeah, and that was only a trim.
And that was a trim. Other than that, I've just like gone like this and like trimmed it myself because I'm cheap. Yes, I should probably be going to the friggin' actual hairdresser to do this, but...
Every time I ever dyed my hair, I did it myself.
Oh, dyeing? Like, why would you even go to the hairdresser to dye your hair?
Well, no, I used to do like
Makayla dyes my
crazy
hair.
colors.
Oh.
So I had yellow, orange, and red at one point. I've been
so
like
cool.
full like cherry red before.
Dang. Oh, I can't breathe.
The hairdresser took one look at my hair and was like, that's fucking damaged. Literally, she did. I was like,
Sarah, Tara, can you tap that and make the light not bright?
tap that, man.
Where do you live?
Connecticut.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
I'm about an hour and 45 minutes away from New York City.
Oh,
Nice.
So,
that's fucking awesome.
yeah, no, like by the train, it's like 45 minutes at the most.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
it's really
I would
cool.
go on the train all the time.
Me too, fuck. Did you ever watch Carrie Bradshaw? Like,
Yes.
The Carrie Diaries?
I'm rewatching her right now.
I love that show.
Me too.
She always took the train to Manhattan.
Someone
I don't even
else-
know if I should cut
my
this.
mom- somebody else.
So should I just split it in the middle?
Okay. I love watching awkward people. That's why. It's so funny.
He's probably not gonna be awkward though.
Okay, I hope not.
I can't believe I'm about to do this.
Yellow on top, and then went
Yeah.
and then I just like tried to fix it.
I had to cut my hair at an angle, so at one point in my life I had a bob, and it was really short in the back, like really, really short, and then it like framed my face.
Oh, yeah.
I looked like
Looking
Dora
at
the
you first
Explorer.
of all.
First off, I looked like Dora.
Oh,
Second off, my hair grows out really weird now, so I have to like cut it at an angle in order for all of it to grow in evenly without like cutting it super short again, which would be annoying. So I have to cut it with it down.
Yeah, like when I did it on top here, like it layered it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back.
you're gonna 1 minute? I'm more excited than Sarah is. I know. I'm more excited than Sarah is. I know. I wanted to come here.
I'm thinking right about here. That's definitely fucking 8 inches.
Yeah.
So you have to put a hair tie there.
I know. Trust me, I know.
That's perfect.
My password's 11111.
Nice.
Everybody on YouTube has a password.
Yeah, because I'm totally gonna leave that there for them, Jess. I'm gonna leave that so they can know my password. Are those even?
Yes.
Yeah, because you're gonna have to cut above the hair tie anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna be a little extra. She's nervous as fuck.
Are you doing it?
Should I wait for Sarah?
Yeah,
we're
we're doing
doing
a
it.
YouTube
I-
video.
Yeah. Feel my heart. I can't breathe.
Yeah, she's scared.
scared.
It's gonna look so good.
I'm so scared.
You are. You're gonna look great.
It's for a good cause,
to wait
guys.
for
Is that
Sarah.
8 inches, you think?
Yep.
So this is how much I'm going to
Probably just as
donate.
nice as you, so don't worry about it.
I think it's like, is that a foot? I don't know. I don't know how
It's a good amount of hair though.
You're right, it's a good amount.
You're gonna look so cute. It's okay.
It's
You're
gonna
gonna
look
look
great.
so cute. Ridiculously cute.
Can Sarah hurry? She always leaves for 25 minutes. I'm gonna have to start without her in a second, or before I actually give up.
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm doing it right now.
Okay. I feel like I should lower this some so you guys can see me make the initial cut. I'm gonna make the. Don't let her in. Just kidding.
Don't let her in.
How do I do this? How does this lower?
Yeah.
You got this. You got this.
Can I talk?
I don't care if you talk. Yeah, it's
Or
fine.
you should mute it and put music over it, right?
No,
No. Okay, wait. Just let her.
not
do
right
it.
now.
Do it.
You guys can talk. It's fine.
Do it. You got it.
Do it. You got it, man.
One.
You got
If you need
it.
someone else to do it, they'll do it.
Once you do one,
don't make me go
it'll
to
be
my
so
scissors.
easy to do the other.
3, 2.
Stop!
I love it, actually.
She's gonna cry. What did I just do? Oh my god! This was on my fucking head a second. My mom is gonna watch this and kill me.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, that's like a nice angled brush. I can apply my I can literally apply my highlighter with this. I can't believe I just did that. I literally can't believe I just did that. What the
You gotta do the other one.
That cut like butter.
You gotta do the other one. You gotta do the other one.
Oh my god. Okay, one down. Let's just do the other one before I actually kill myself.
You
Okay.
got it. You got it.
That's pretty straight too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you can't look dumb. One side long and one side short, so.
Oh my god, you did it.
Are you shitting me? Are you really shitting me right now? Oh my god!
She's gonna die.
Oh my god!
Dude.
Oh my fucking god!
Oh my. Okay. She's gonna take care of me.
Oh my god! It actually looks good.
Wow, I like it that way.
I actually
Yeah.
don't think I have to go get it recut.
Yeah,
That looks
Did you
really
angle
good.
it too?
Oh shit. Fuck it
Oh
up.
my god!
Here,
Oh
here,
my
look
god,
at the
dude,
angles
I
on
love
both sides.
it.
Make sure
You know
they're
what?
even.
Yes.
Dude, I love
I
it.
like it.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
it feels so weird. It feels so weird to not have hair.
You
God.
have hair.
I know, but like,
I'm bald.
but like seriously,
Here's your other braid.
Can I touch it again?
I can't.
I like feeling it. Let me see it. This
Okay.
is so weird. Like, this is not on her anymore. It's weird. It's so weird.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Okay, guys. I thought I would not do it, but
Wow. I'm impressed, dude. I thought you were gonna choke.
I can't believe I just cut my
I
hair
seriously
off.
was telling Audie, I was like, she's
Once
gonna
the back
chase.
door is.
I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe you just did that. I didn't think you would do it, dude.
Fuck. I cannot believe I just cut my hair off.
Yeah,
like,
same. I thought you were gonna
actually,
choke.
I'm
I thought you were not
crazy.
gonna do it.
So this is how much I cut off, and I'm gonna go blow dry and straighten it and see how it looks. I can't believe I just did that. I have not cut my hair in 2 years. Like, I'm in my PJs. It's late at night. It's like 8:30. Okay, I go to bed early. Like, stop. So I just straightened my hair. It actually looks good. Like, I like the length. And it's even as hell. Like, I'm very surprised. I do have to go, though, and get my ends thin just because I have such thick hair. Like, the ends are, like, poofy because my hair is so thick. But other than that, came out pretty good. can do like cute little things now. Look at my ponytail. Look how short that is. Can I even do a sleek ponytail and not look stupid? Like, actually, yeah, that still looks good. That still looks long. Not as long, but it feels weird going like this though, and like not having anything down here. But I can tell it's gonna be a lot easier to take care of. But yeah. She's next. No, but I literally cut off as much as like I have now, like half of my hair. I'm gonna donate this to Pantene because they give free wigs away to women and children with cancer. So
I didn't know you were still on camera.
yeah, I am. But yeah, so donating these to Pantene because they give free wigs to women and children with cancer. So yeah.
What about the men?
The men too, I'm sure. If you want my red hair, curly hair, you can have it. Because here it is. Anyway, I'm glad I did this. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe. And yeah.